Tired of seeing that "Coming Soon" page and ready to finally launch your website? Hey everyone, today we're going to ditch the tech headaches and walk through connecting your free Freenom domain to your Profee Host account. Step by simple step. First, head over to the Freenom website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Services tab and click on My Domains. To see a list of all your registered domains, find the domain you want to connect and click Manage Domain. Now, click on Manage Freenom DNS. This is where the magic happens. We need to point your domain to Profee Host servers. Log in to your Profee Host account and locate your nameserver information. This is usually found in your welcome email or within your hosting account dashboard. You'll need 2 nameservers, usually in the format of NS1 Profee.com and NS2Profee.com. Back on the Freenom DNS management page, change the type, drop down to NS, and carefully enter your Profee Host's nameservers into the provided fields. Make sure to enter each nameserver into a separate row. Once you've entered both nameservers, click the Save Changes button. It can take up to 24-48 hours for these changes to propagate across the internet, so be patient. Congratulations! Your Freenom domain is now connected to your Profee Host, and your website should be live soon. You've officially taken your first step towards establishing your online presence.